You want to learn data science, but you are confused to figure out whether you should join college or to take some paid courses, or you want to learn it for free at home. Then this video is for you. Hello guys, I'm Saqi. So today in this video, I will help you to take a right path to learn data science. So let's get started. I have divided this video into the 3 parts. In the first part, we're gonna have a look to top colleges in India which are providing the data science program with the placements. And then in the next part, we will talk about some paid programs that you can purchase online. Then in the last part, I will show you how you can learn data science for free. If you are a college student or a graduate in any field, you can learn data science for free. It's very easy. Now, let's talk about some top colleges in India that provide a data science program with placements. Number 1, IIT Madras. They have 2 years of master's program in data science. और अगर पैकेज की बात करिए तो 12 LPA यहाँ एवरेज है, जो कि एक फ्रेशर के लिए स्टार्टिंग होता है, बट इसके लिए आपको गेट का स्कोर होना बहुत ही जरूरी है, जिससे हमको डर लगता है. Number 2, Loyola College Chennai. They have 2 years of masters in data science and analytics program, so the average package is about 6 LPA, which is the starting salary of the fresher. Number 3, Manipal Academy of Higher Education. They have a program called Masters of Data Science for 2 years, and the average placement package of graduates of the program is about 10 LPA. Number 4, ICFAI Business School of Hyderabad. They have a program called Masters of Science in Business Analytics and Data Science, which is for 2 years, and the average package is about 6 LPA. And no doubt, there are a lot of other institutes also who are providing the data science courses. Now, let's jump into the next part of our video where we explore the top paid programs for the data science in India. First, I put Scalar Academy. Scalar Academy claims to have a placement rate of 93.5% for its data science and machine learning courses, with an average salary of package which is about 16.5 lakh per annum for its graduates. And the highest salary package secured by Scalar Academy's graduate is 3.3 crore per annum. Number 2 is Upgrade. Upgrade has a placement rate of about 90% of their data science courses, with an average salary about 7.5 lakh per annum for their graduates. And the highest salary package secured by an Upgrade graduate is 42 lakh per annum. And the instructors are from big companies like Facebook, Microsoft, and Google. Coming to the third one is Great Learning. Great Learning claims to have placement rate of about 80% for its data science courses, which is not a bad option. Number 4, iNeuron is a fantastic 90% placement rate with an average salary of about 8.5 LPA. iNeuron's placement success is likely due to a number of factors, like they have strong reputation of the company's courses, and they instill relevant curriculum, and they have hands-on learning experience with the strong network of alumni, which is not a bad option if you go for it. Let's jump into the last part of my video, which is how you can learn data science for free and get placed in a big companies. There are a lot of students, there are a lot of successful stories. They have learned all the data science through online courses, through online platforms, and the platforms are very much helpful and free to use. First of all, and the best platform where you can learn data science for free is YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. I will definitely recommend 2 main channels where I learn data science. First is Krishna and second is Code Basics. These are the 2 main channels where I learned data science in 6 months. Trust me guys, if you follow these 2 playlists on YouTube, then I'm guaranteeing you that you will get placed in 6 months with an average package of about 6 lakh per annum. Everything is available on YouTube. You don't need to go for paid courses, blah blah. I definitely recommend you to go for it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to need more information about data science and artificial intelligence. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.